Hello, my name is Onikolai Federer, and welcome to the class. Here we'll be talking about noun. We have different types of noun. We have the common, we have the proper noun. And here we'll be talking about starting with the proper noun. First, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or things. And now to the proper nouns. Proper noun are the specific names, the names properly given, the specific name given to what we are talking about here, like names of people, names, specific names of animals, the name of a country, of a continent, festivals, also oceans, mountains, and what again? Mountains, festivals, seas, and the likes. Now, if we are talking about names of people, when we're talking of Ali, Emeka, Ifedayo, Titi, Bisi, Ife, those are names of people, specific names of people. Those are proper nouns. When you are starting that a sentence using and the names that are being formed, it has to start with what? Capital letter. Specific names of animals. You can't say a lion is in the bush. A lion is not a proper noun. But if you say the name of the lion is Simba, which one do you think is the proper noun? Simba is the proper noun. Why lion is a common noun? So don't confuse it. Simba is the what? The proper noun. So names of animals, specific name of animal. Names of festivals, Agungu festivals, Egungun festival, and the likes of any festival that you know. Those are what? Proper nouns. Name of a country, Nigeria, Brazil, United States of America, Togo, Benin, Niger, and the likes. Those are what? Proper nouns. Days of the week, Monday, Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, days of the week. Months of the year, January, February, March, till December. Those are what? Proper nouns. Names of oceans, seas. They are what? Proper nouns. Please don't confuse common nouns with proper nouns. And by that time, you can be asked that you should underline in a sentence the proper nouns or the common nouns. So please don't mistake one for another. Please note that anytime there is a proper noun in a sentence, ensure it starts with what? Capital letter. For example, my name is Ifedayo. The start of the beginning of that sentence is capital letter. My name, M. Then when it gets to Ifedayo, it has to stand with what? A capital letter I. Ifedayo. The name of the lion is what? Simba. The name, start with a capital letter, of the lion is Simba. Simba starts with what? Capital letter. The name of my country is Nigeria. Nigeria starts with what? Capital letter. Anywhere you see proper noun, please ensure that you start with what? Capital letter. This will help you anytime you are writing a sentence, a statement, or you're writing an article. And of course, it won't mark you down anytime you're writing that. Thank you. I'll see you in the next class.